In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this neon waves using two pattern chops to define the shape and chop to pop to create the geometry. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. I started in the chop family with two pattern chops. The first is a slow, smooth wave driven by abs time .seconds, and the second is a much higher frequency wave with 10 cycles. I fed both into a math chop set to multiply, giving me this perfectly complex undulating pattern. To turn this into 3D, I brought that data into the pop family using a chop to pop, mapping the math signal directly to the vertical height on the y-axis. To build the geometry, I ran this through Align Metrics POP with a tangent toggle on. This is crucial for getting the orientation right. Then, I took a small circle pop and used a copy pop to sweep those circles perfectly along the curve. A skin pop wraps it all into a solid 3D surface, and a normal pop ensures the lighting hits it just right. For that moving grid effect, I stacked 40 copies along the Z-axis using another copy pop. For the color, I built a circular ramp top using a sick green and purple combo and fed that right into a lookup texture pop. I split the network into two branches. Branch 1 goes into a geometry comp with a PBR material using the exact settings shown on screen. Branch 2 is a duplicate, but I scaled up the circle profile and used a dark PBR material, emitting a subtle, deep blue glow for contrast. To frame the scene, I used a close-up camera, hit it with orange and purple lights, and added an environment light with an HDRI for slick reflections. Finally, I rendered it out vertically at 720 by 1280, ran it through a Bloom top for that perfect neon haze, and tweaked the contrast in a level top. Simple as that. See you on the next tutorial. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations so you truly understand the software. Comment "Guide" and I'll send you the starter kit.